Okay, so could you introduce yourself a little bit? So you're a PhD student.
Yeah, hi, my name is Mustafa Nikpur. I'm a PhD student at Auckland University of Technology. So we built a self-balancing mobile robot. So as you can see, it's a freely rotating pendulum here. But according to the values of the MPU 605, which is kind of an IMU, it balances itself. As you can see, it's completely robust.
It's very stiff there. It's incredible.
And according to the values, it starts rotating. So it's exactly like a Segway. And
well, actually, you've got nonlinear control in here.
Yeah, exactly.
So most Segways will use something like PID control or something.
No, it's a PD controller actually. Yeah, we consider the value of I as 0, so it's a PD controller now.
But isn't this using sliding mode control?
We are trying to do that also for the next step.
Oh, for the next one.
Yeah,
so
for the first step, we just use the PD value.
Oh, so you're using PD.
For now, it's the PD controller.
Okay, but it's still pretty damn good. So no, you don't have an integrator.
No, we don't have any I values now.
Yeah, but it's
although it's not a problem.
Yeah, it's still quite impressive.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's completely.
Yeah, no, it looks as if it's nailed there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And these are brushless motors, I think.
It's a BLDC motor, brushless DC motors. Yeah.
Yeah, and they're what, 48 volts or something? No?
It's a 40 volts. Yeah.
Oh, 40 volts.
40 volts.
Yeah. And so this is the what is it?
MPU 6050. It's a very cheap IMU.
Yeah, and that's got the accelerometers and the
exactly the value. Actually, the main thing is important is the values of the pitch angle and the angular velocity of the pitch angle. Yeah, that's the main important thing.
That's good. And what micro or whatever are you using to control?
We use the same control. We use the controller inside. Yeah. As you can see, these motor controller, which are based on the software VSC2.
Yeah.
We are using that type of controller. We haven't implemented the microcontroller yet, but we can integrate those things together. Yeah. And now we're just
so the purpose is to put a sliding mode controller in there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
okay.
We can implement,
That's fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed.